What's up, guys? Today I want to walk you through my top 10 AI image prompts and how each one works. Before we dive in, though, I want to give a huge thank you to the AI Academy. Hit 1K members in under 2 weeks. Absolutely insane. Excited to keep growing this community through all these free resources. But today I want to break down, the 10 most powerful image generation prompts, what they do, how they work, and how to customize them. We have all of the full prompts here, as you can see. So let's just dive in. The first one's kind of fun. It's a selfie with celebrities. As you know, my whole process of this channel is to make AI more accessible, whether that's news tools, and then for those that get the education, want to learn how to make money, we have the AI Academy Plus. But for selfie with celebrities, this is the full prompt. I'm not going to read through every full prompt, just because I'm assuming you're going to go into this guide and read through it. I'm just going to break down what it does. And again, if you want the free guide, first link in the description. What it does, this places you in a realistic POV selfie, standing next to any celebrity of your choice. The key variables are the celebrity name that you can edit in here, the location, the lighting, and then the background effect. A pro tip on this one, and I'm going to run through these because we do have 10. The flash selfie lighting is the most realistic option since it mimics the harsh direct light that would actually happen in this situation. The second is the 4K Enhance Remaster prompt. What it does is it takes any uploaded photo and upscales it to look like high resolution. This is better than just telling your LLM to make it better. You can use 4K or 8K, warm, cool, or neutral for the color temperature, the clarity intensity, and the HDR effect level. Pro tip for this one is for portraits, use warm tones, 75% clarity, and subtle HDR. That's what I've found works the best. And going to 100% clarity or stronger HDR can make the skin look artificial, a little too perfect. The third is the outfit change prompt. I've used this one a lot for thumbnails. Here's the full prompt. What it does, pretty self-explanatory. You take a photo of a person, someone, it could be yourself, somebody else, in one photo, and then the garment for the second photo, and then dress the person in the exact same outfit. The key variables here is the light source direction, where you want the light to be coming from, and then the style. And for best practices on this one, you want to make sure that the first photo has clear directional lighting. Flat or ambient lighting in the source photo makes it harder for the model to match the shadows. The fourth we have here is magazine cover. So what this does is it transforms a reference photo into a high fashion magazine cover, complete with lipstick, kiss marks, whatever you would like. Key variables in this prompt, we have quite a few. The camera format, the styling, the hair, the expression on the face, the lighting, the background, and the publication name if you want. Forbes, any others, National Geographic, I don't know, whatever you want. Pro tip for this one, this lighting, the low background, and the slick back hair, I think, works the best for the image. I tested these on ChatGPT 4.6 and Gemini. GPT's 4.6 is really good. Gemini is good too, but they're both solid. I like to use both and then compare and contrast. The Minecraft style transformation prompt, this one is an HTML. This one blew up on Instagram quite a bit. And what it does is it places a photorealistic person into a full Minecraft world. Keep the person untouched, but in that same position in Minecraft. Key sections here are just your subject rules, your environment rules, and then the composition and lighting. Pro tip for this one, as I said, is JSON formatted. Works best for complex multi-rule transformations where you need the model to respect hard boundaries. But I've seen this done with pretty much any photo. It looks cool. If anything, it's a cool transition, cool party trick. Halfway through, number 6, the professional portrait. I see this one used a lot for LinkedIn. Very condensed prompt, but it converts any casual photo into a professional ready photo. So what stays locked in this one? The exact clothing, the natural facial expression, and the realistic skin texture. What it changes and where the magic happens is in the background becomes seamlessly light gray, the lighting becomes studio grade, and the crop tightens the head and shoulders, which is what you want on a LinkedIn headshot. This prompt is ideal for turning a phone photo into a LinkedIn-ready headshot without a studio session. 7th is a product ad. It isolates a product from any photo and rebuilds it into a premium advertising composition. Why it works, You can run through here, and then the design principles that I baked into it. The hero product is centered and sharp. The ingredients are arranged on depth. The background matches the product. Negative space is intentional, and micro details. And this works best for food, beverage, skincare, etc. The 8 is the behind the scenes prompt. It transforms any photo into a behind the scenes production shot. Key variables here are the camera type you want, the person, the set type, and the visible props. And I like to add blurred to the camera crew. I think that's pretty essential. Animate transformation. I'm sure this will be a popular one. It converts a reference photo into detailed hand-drawn anime style while preserving the exact composition, pose, and expression. Again, if you want any of these guides or any of these prompts for free in the guide, first link in the description. Translation rules. You have the face for the eyes, the hair, skin, background colors. I suggest reading through these so you don't mess up the image. Yeah. And then the last one here, I forgot about this one, the ancient Egypt time travel selfie. So it creates a hyper-realistic selfie view with an ancient Egyptian pharaoh. These are the realism layers that I baked into it. Pro tip, the no visible camera device, no duplicate fingers, no modern objects, just helps the prompt go through more smoothly. 5 general principles I had here at the end of the guide. Be specific about what to keep versus what to change. More context is always better with these things. Name the style anchor, of course. Use negative instructions like don't do this. Stack micro details for realism, literally as much detail as you can. And then match your format to the complexity of the prompt that you're doing. Now this is more of a fun guide, but in the AI Academy, we have tons of guides. If we go into the classroom here, tons of guides, tons of videos, discount codes, prompts. We're doing Apple giveaways now. Literally anything you need to learn AI. You can also go to the debrief.ai, which is our partner newsletter, which just updates you on the news along with other tools of what's happening in the world of AI. And if you want to take all this knowledge and turn it into cash, we just launched. We already have 7 members in this, which is nuts. The AI Academy Plus. We teach you how to use AI to make your first $1,000 online in 90 days. If you don't make $1,000 in 90 days, you get your money back. Anyways, this was more of a fun video, the top 10 AI image prompts. Again, if you want the guide, first link in the description. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.